At Extremale, efficiency is based on real-time data. This proprietary CNC monitoring system was developed in-house by our head of production, Ramunas. It gives the team full visibility of how our HAAS machining centers perform every minute of the day. The idea started with a simple question: can we extract live production data directly from HAAS machines? At first, there was no easy solution. The first versions were experimental prototypes built through testing and continuous improvement. But once we understood the real potential of machine data, it became clear that this tool could transform the way our production is managed. Today, the system allows us to monitor CNC machine efficiency in real time. It helps the team make faster decisions, react immediately to production issues, and redistribute workload when needed. Currently, Extremale operates 9 HAAS CNC milling machines, with 6 already fully connected to the system. Any compatible machine connected to the internal network can instantly become part of the platform. Every machine has its own live efficiency dashboard. Green means the machine is actively working. Red shows downtime or a stopped machine. Yellow indicates a program change and setup for a new production job. The system also tracks detailed production statistics, cycle times, spindle speeds, running programs, machine workload, and historical production data. Some machines are already reaching over 90% efficiency during a single shift. This is very, very high efficiency indeed. But the biggest advantage is not only statistics, but the ability to react immediately. If 2 machines suddenly stop at the same time, the team instantly knows an operator may need assistance. That allows managers to quickly reassign people, solve bottlenecks faster, and keep production moving efficiently. The new HAAS monitoring system creates healthy competition between shifts and operators, and helps the teams constantly improve performance. For Extremale, digital manufacturing is already part of everyday production.